Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome as your default browser on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. So since the release of the new iOS 18.2, the default app location has been changed in settings. So let me show you how you can make Google Chrome your default browser on your iPhone. So first you want to go ahead and tap on settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see apps. Now from here you want to go ahead and tap on default apps, which is here at the top. Now from this menu here, go ahead and find browser app, which is right here. Tap on it. As you can see, you'll have all the list of browsers which are installed on your iPhone. So I've got Chrome, Opera, and Safari. Currently Safari is my default browser. So if I want to change this to Chrome, go ahead and tap Chrome, and then that will become the default browser for your iPhone. So as it reads, Chrome will be used to open links and browse the web. If you have multiple browser apps, you can change the default. So we'll go back, and now that has changed the default browser on your iPhone. So there you go guys, that is how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your iPhone. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.